Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. I hope that all of you would be fine and happy. Today I am going to tell you that how to delete the viewed items history from AliExpress app. Although it will be automatically deleted after 30 days, but if you want to delete the complete history, this video will be helpful for you. So without wasting your time, let's open the AliExpress app. In the app, click on Account tab from bottom right. Then click on Viewed. You can see that your viewed items history is saved. But you cannot view the history more than 30 days, as it is automatically deleted. To clear the current history, go to Settings by clicking on Gear at top right. In the Settings, go to Viewed. Here you can see a toggle button, which is used to toggle between Remember History or Not. You need to simply turn it off, then confirm the pop-up. Now the history has been cleaned. Now if you want the viewing history be on, simply turn it on again. Let's see the viewed items now. You can see that the history is deleted and no more available. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Also encourage me with your comments. Thanks and goodbye till next video.